is my first new phone in almost over 2 years. In the past 2 years I've been using the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, which I absolutely loved. It's sort of on its last legs now because the screen has cracked on all edges. Still works perfectly fine. The battery life is not that great anymore, and the camera seems to be kind of crap as well lately. So why did I get this? This looked like the best of the new phones available at the moment. There's no notches, there's no hole punches or the small notches or anything like that. It's all screen at the front, and the price is pretty decent for a brand new phone. So this cost me $6.99. It came with a few freebies, but I got there quite late, so all I got was a t-shirt, a sketchbook, a bag, a tote bag, and some silica gel, obviously, which I'm going to chuck away. But I'm going to open this up and see what's inside. There it goes. Oh, so it comes with a clear case inside the box, which is pretty nice. There's some other instructions and stuff which I'll look through later, but this is really cool. It's just the kind of cases I like, clear. Perfect. Phone itself feels very much like my Samsung Galaxy S8 on the hand. It's not terribly bigger, but the screen itself will be huge. And I got the blue version, which is, it's got a funky name, the Nebula Blue. Let's put that aside for a second, see what else is inside the box. So you got the power cable and some really cool looking red USB cable. So I haven't even started using the phone yet, but in my hand it feels exactly like my Samsung Galaxy S8 used to feel like. The screen is amazing. Happy with it so far.